If you have been inoculated with the Sinovac COVID-19 vaccine, you will still be required to undergo pre-event testing. The Health Ministry said today vaccines that are not part of the national vaccination program, like Sinovac, may not be fully effective in protecting against the more transmissible Delta variant. While Sinovac is available here, it is to be provided only under the Special Access Route framework and not covered under the Vaccine Injury Financial Assistance Program. The government previously said that those who are fully vaccinated are exempted from pre-event testing for events like live performances, MICE events and wedding solemnizations. Now we'll have more on this during our interview with Professor Teo Yik Ying from NUS. Professor, what is the message that MOH is sending with this regulation?
So presently, Singapore has yet to approve Sinovac as one of the vaccines in the national vaccination rollout. And this is because the Health Sciences Authority, our HSA, is still waiting for additional data from Sinovac before they can conclude and make a firm decision. We know that the effectiveness of Sinovac from international reports is around 51%, compared to the figures of more than 90% for Pfizer and for Moderna. So while we await additional information and clarifications, asking people who have received the Sinovac vaccine to undergo pre-event testing is an additional layer of precaution, because these are large events that we anticipate people to come together to mingle. But I think it's important to also highlight that I anticipate this is just for the short term, that such testing will be required, because I do believe when we receive the clarification from Sinovac, or when the overall uptake of vaccination in Singapore reaches a sufficiently high level, we may actually change our entire policies on pre-event testing. And I think it's important to remember that on the whole, we want to ensure that people in Singapore are protected with the best available vaccines and the needed safety measures, while allowing our society to gradually resume our desired normalcy. And vaccinating with the most effective vaccines not only protect the individuals themselves, but also make the community safe as a whole to help protect each other in the country.
Thank you, Professor Teo, for your insights.